Good morning. So it's like 8:50 and I just got to school. I'm about to go in and take my exam. I'm really nervous and I'm like freaking out. A lot of the girls aren't going to be here today because we had a lot of freezing rain last night, so the roads are really bad. So a lot of them aren't coming because they live like over an hour away and stuff, so yeah. But yeah, that's all I really have to say right now. This is my makeup today. I really like it. And yeah, so I'm gonna get inside and take my test and I'll let you know how it goes. Hey guys, so I am home now. I went to school, did not pass my test. I barely failed it. I failed it by like 2%. So I am retaking it when we go back after break. Friday is our last day. And we're on break from Saturday all through the next week until this Tuesday after. So we've got a while that we're going to be on break. But yeah, so I just got my FabFitFun box in the mail. So after Grandma goes to bed, I thought I would unbox that for you guys. I did take a little peek in it because I couldn't help myself. And I'm real excited. That's why I'm opening it tonight, because I can't wait. I want everything that's in it. So I'm going to do that later. And yeah, right now I'm going to go take a shower, take my makeup off, because I need to quit sleeping in my makeup because I keep breaking out again. If you wonder why I'm in the laundry room, it's because Grandma's watching Home Alone and she has the TV really loud, and I don't want you guys to like be deafened from the TV. So yeah, but I'm gonna go do that. Maybe, I don't know, I might actually sit down and start revising my notes, because I'm doing a whole like makeup test of my own and everything, and there's like 250 questions, so I want to do it a little bit at a time. So I might sit down and do that for a little bit, and then maybe about 10 or so I'll go take a shower. We'll see. But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so here is my FabFitFun box for winter. And this is what the outside of the box looks like. It's super pretty. And this box is in support of women's Alzheimer's movement. Can't speak. Alright, so being lazy, I guess I'll find it and tell you guys how much everything is. This is how we're recording because I'm not setting everything up because it's late and I want to go to bed. Alrighty, so this box varies between $211 and $345.99. So the first thing I have is this little palette here. Let me see if I can get you to focus. There we go. It's the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Puddin' eyeshadow palette. And let me see over here. For and it retails for $38. It's super pretty. I opened it earlier. Maybe I can get it open. Oh my gosh. This is what it looks like. I'm super excited to try it out. The shades are gorgeous. Really excited to try it. And then, let me get the big thing out of the way. I have this blanket. And it is the Unhide Little Marshmallow. It's a fox fur blanket. And it retails for $65. And it says, "For love, not fur" on it, which I love. It's really heavy, so I'm sure it's really warm. Then we got this. It's from Frank Body, and it's the original coffee scrub. I got a sample size of this in one of my subscription boxes. I want to say either BoxyCharm, or not BoxyCharm, probably Birchbox or Ipsy, and I love this stuff. It's a great exfoliator. Let me see where it's at. Alrighty, so it retails for $16.95. Then from Cusio, I think is how you pronounce it, it's the Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand Plus Body Wash. And this retails for $39.95, which this comes in handy because I was just needing a new body wash. I just finished mine up literally last night when I took a shower. And so I will use it in my shower tonight. So then I have the original makeup eraser, which I've tried a couple samples of these and I love it. And it retails for $20, and it's the original pink one. Then I have this little necklace from Adore. Let me see. It's like a rose gold color. Let me find it for you all. It's 3A. It retails for $39. It's the Adore by Swarovski Organic Circle Bracelet. Oh, I thought it was a necklace. It's a bracelet. Nice. Then I have from the Dry Bar, which is a great brand, the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. And let me find it. Where are you? It retails for $23. And then I think that, yep, this is the last thing I have are these slippers, which I love slippers. I wear them all the time. Let me find them. 2B. It's the PJ Salvage Fox Trim Cable Slippers, and these retail for $45. Holy crap. And yeah, so that's everything I got. My box is empty. And yeah. So I'm going to end this here. I'm going to clean this stuff up, and then I'm going to take my shower and go to bed. I'm not going to school tomorrow because I have to go to physical therapy in the morning, and then I have the lady coming from the insurance company to inspect the car from where I got in the accident. So I have to have the car here, and I can't leave. Like, she's coming at 1. Excuse me. So I'd only be at school for like an hour. I have the hiccups. Sorry about that. I would only be at school for like an hour, and then I'd have to come straight home. So it's just kind of pointless. Hi, Angel. My dog is right here. Do you want to say hi? Look at the camera. Nope. She's not about that life. But yeah, I'm going to end this here. Thank you. I'm going to end this here. And go do those little few things. And then I'm going to head to bed because I have to be up early in the morning for therapy. And I'm already exhausted, like mentally, from taking my big, huge exam today. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye!